something to show. Same old places and faces of people with nowhere to go. But we're not like them, we are better, both you and I know. Grab your car keys and jacket, 'cause honey, we're ready to go. Let's get in the car and you'll drive. We're leaving tonight, away from these streets and the cold buzz.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is packed with cleaning motivation, new home decor, and then also some patriotic decor for the 4th of July, and then a couple easy patriotic summer treats. I wasn't going to decorate for the 4th because we are actually going on vacation and we're not going to be here that week, but I decided it would be nice to enjoy it the entire month of July, so I'm just going to start out today by making myself an iced coffee. I love to use this Starbucks cold brew with their caramel macchiato creamer, and I just frothed my creamer on the cold setting, and this makes it delicious. And then I'm also going to be baking some blueberry muffins to get this day started. If you're new here, my name is Lauren, and I love making videos about cleaning and decorating and all things homemaking, so make sure to hit that red subscribe button if you're new, and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I would love to have you, but let's go ahead and get this day started.
Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing consolation. You and me were in the moment.
Once I pop those muffins in the oven, I'm just wiping down the counters with my Method lemon multi-surface spray, and then I'm going to start adding some new decor. I wanted to add pops of red, white, and blue throughout, but I also picked up a few pieces of decor that are not for the 4th. I bought some glass canisters for our flour, sugar, and oats, and I was actually inspired by Amy Fritz to do this. She just did a beautiful kitchen renovation, so y'all should go check that out if you missed it. But I loved her idea of putting these items in a glass canister to display as part of the kitchen decor. And then I also bought a new rug for our breakfast nook. I found it on Amazon, and I'll be showing that here in just a second. But then we're going to go back in and add all of our patriotic decor as we go. I'm just going to add this little America the Beautiful towel that I found at Hobby Lobby here on the oven. I decided to get rid of all of the pops of yellow as I was decorating for the 4th, because when I take down my 4th decor, it is already going to be time to decorate for fall, and I know no one is ready to hear that yet, so I'm not going to say too much about it. But I usually do start all of my fall decor in early August, because as a teacher, I don't have a whole lot of time at the beginning of the school year to tackle that, and I like to go all out for fall. So I usually do try to take on that project a couple of weeks before school starts, and then we can just enjoy it for a couple months. And I had been looking for a round kitchen rug for a while, and I accidentally stumbled on this one on Amazon, and it's less than 40 bucks, so I was so excited to find it. And I did end up exchanging it for a larger size, but I love this pattern, and I feel like it transitions really well with all of my other rugs throughout our main living areas. So I'll go ahead and throw a link below in case y'all want to check it out. I ended up ordering the 5-foot one, but this one here was 4 feet.
We're all racing to
I went to Michael's the day before and found this beautiful faux plant. I always love a plant that looks real, so I don't have to worry about keeping it alive. That's always a plus for me. And then the little pot that it's in also came from Michael's. And I love the simplistic look of that on our kitchen table. And then I'm going to add some pops of red, white, and blue to our hutch. I found this beautiful wooden American flag at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to add it to the top of the hutch. I also found a cute little gnome and some other little knickknacks to set out. And one of my biggest tips to people who love to decorate for every season is to invest in lots of red items, because it works for Christmas, Valentine's Day, the 4th of July, and I cannot tell you how many times a year I pull out all of my red hand towels and pillows and other random red items that I've purchased over the past few years. They come in so handy.
There comes a time when I won't belong on these streets, in these crowds, in this room, in your eyes, and you no longer know whether to stay or to go.
In the living room, I'm just going to go around and straighten it up. I needed to push our TV stand back down because after our gender reveal, I took that chalkboard down and there's a giant gap there. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that. And this is one of the reasons I haven't committed to mounting a TV yet, because I move furniture so often that I would end up having 500 holes in the wall. But I did want to go through and get rid of all of the clutter and all of the yellow summer decor so that we could bring in all of the red, white, and blue. And for this room, I wanted to add a little star banner on the TV, a new wreath in the entry area, some red throw pillows, and then a warm apple pie candle to warm up the space. All of the citrus smells in our home during the summer are amazing, but I always dream of the day that I can start bringing in all of those warmer scents in toward the end of summer. I love the smell of desserts and coffee, and it makes our house smell so cozy.
You said be careful what you say. We are the ones to talk, and never should have gone this far. I should have told you from the start. No point in playing along or reach for the respect. Can't you see there's nothing left to protect? I'm not gonna last, I'll tell you now. Whatever I am, just leave it now. I'm not gonna try.
As y'all know, this other side of my living room still does not have anything there, and I've been trying to find some cozy little chairs to put there with maybe a floor lamp. And my husband and I, on his lunch break the other day, were in Home Goods, and we stumbled on the cutest little furry white chairs. And I was like, Will, these are perfect. Will you please help me load them in my car? And he was like, yeah. And I felt kind of bad because it was his lunch break and he didn't have very long, but we threw those things in the back of my Jeep and came home, and when we got them here, they were way too small for the space, so I was so disappointed. And I should have showed them to you guys on this day because they were still there. You can kind of see the corner of it over there in the right hand corner, but we ended up returning those. They are not going to work in that space. Those were so stinking cute though, so they're going to look really good in somebody's house. But I also I found a chest of drawers on Facebook Marketplace. fireplace for our master bedroom. So in next week's video, I'm going to be styling that and showing y'all that and probably organizing the drawers and stuff. And then it's just going to be a whole house clean with me, get everything back in order before we go to the beach. And then I'm also going to be uploading a clean and pack with me in the next week or so. So stay tuned for all of that. We're going to be bringing in lots of new furniture this summer because I'm trying to get our house styled the way I like it before we bring in all of the fall decor and Christmas decor, because during fall Oliver will be born and I'm not going to really have a whole lot of strength or energy to work on home decor and furniture and all of that jazz. So trying to get all of that tackled this summer.
The rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there be no kind of peace like you beside me, no matter the rain.
I found this really cool gadget on Amazon. I've seen several other people use this on their couches to get off the little beads. And our couch is kind of worn, especially where we sit. There's those little cloth beads pretty bad. So I went ahead and ran this over our couch and it pulled everything off. I was so amazed. In this next clip here in just a second, I'm going to show y'all what our couch looked like beforehand. It was pretty worn down, and then after running this over, I'll show y'all how much junk it pulled off of our couch. I was so impressed, and it was only $12 on Amazon. So if you have this problem with your couch, or if you have like a piece of clothing that needs all those beads removed, definitely get yourself one of these. I actually have a black sweater that was full of beads, and I was thinking about just throwing it in the trash, and I used this on it and it is good as new. So this thing is amazing.
No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
I found this cute little wooden star banner at Hobby Lobby, and I attached 2 command hooks to either side of our TV stand, and I'm just going to hang it there, and I feel like this added the most fun patriotic touch to our living room.
I'm coming home.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night.
I also found this cute little fringe American flag pillow at Hobby Lobby, and you're going to see me rearrange these pillows several times before I get them how I like them, but those are the famous red pillows that you saw at Christmas, again at Valentine's Day, and now again at 4th of July. I'm telling y'all, you need to invest in some really good red pieces of decor because you can pull them out all year long and they are super versatile.
Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow.
I I had one more piece of decor that I didn't use in the living room, so I'm going to carry it over here to the kitchen table and set it in front of this little green plant. And then we're going to move on to making a 4th of July treat here in the kitchen. I make this every single year, so I'm excited to show y'all what it is. Okay, so this is a little dessert that I bake every single year for Memorial Day and 4th of July. And I made some Jell-O already earlier, and that's been sitting up, so that's ready to go. I'm just going to cover it in some Cool Whip, and that combination together is already amazing. It tastes so good. And then I'm just going to chop up some strawberries, and then we're going to use blueberries for the stars, and we're going to make an American flag. So let's go ahead and get started.
Sorrows, let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good.
After I spread out all of that Cool Whip, I just like to go in with a paper towel and clean up the edges, just so that it looks a little bit neater. And y'all, this treat is so easy and so delicious. I highly recommend trying it, especially if you are in a kind of a time crunch and you're trying to make something for the 4th to bring to either a cookout or whatever it may be. It takes no time at all as long as you let the Jell-O set up first. It's just plopping the Cool Whip on there, throwing some fruit on, and then heading out the door. Super easy, and everyone always loves it.
Every day you make mistakes, but heroes know that's what it takes to find themselves, to save a friend, discover true love in the end.
Y'all will have to let me know in the comments below what you plan to do to celebrate the 4th this year. We're actually going to be packing to leave for a vacation, but I'm hoping that we can get away for a minute to watch some fireworks and maybe eat a hot dog or something.
Float your troubles out to sea. Be the best that you can be. These things I wish.
That is going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope y'all have an amazing holiday, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye!